Right, the final little example I want to talk about is 0% deals, and why a 0% deal may not always be the best way to go. Now, if I was to say to anybody, I can sell you a car on 0% finance, most people are going to go, yes please, where do I sign? However, what if I was to say, okay, dealer one, we've got a £45,000 car, 0% finance, over 47 months, with month 48 being the balloon payment, £18,000 guaranteed future value, and it's coming out at £574.47. So let's just put those figures in. So £45,000 retail, guaranteed future value of 18,000, 0% APR, and 47 equal payments. 574.47. Okay, so you go, yes please, where do I sign? It's on 0%, no interest to pay. Brilliant. The second dealer though has the car for £45,000, but they will give you a deposit contribution of £5,000. So you're only financing £40,000, not 45. But they've got it at 3.9. Everything else is the same. Which is cheaper? Well, look. This one now is coming out at, if I get the guaranteed future value correct, at £563.45 a month. £11.02 a month cheaper to not go down the 0% route. So that's why, again, 0% doesn't always mean the best deal. Because if you look here, look, the total amount payable on example 1 is obviously £45,000. Of course it is. On the second agreement, it's 40,000 plus the interest charges, because remember they've given us a £5,000 discount. So the second example, the total amount payable is 44,482 versus 45,000. So it's actually £11 a month cheaper to pay interest. So that's another useful tool. Just because it's 0%, you may be able to go to a different dealer, haggle or negotiate a discount off the purchase price, and even though they're charging 2.9, 3.9 APR, it might be cheaper. So what I'm saying in this entire module is always look at the entire agreement, the purchase price, the total charges over the term, the total monthly payments. Make sure you check everything. And I hope that was useful.